Happening now, Texas lawmakers are taking action one day after Republican leaders struck a deal to provide Texans with property tax relief. Our political reporter Jack Fink is here with the latest developments on this. Jack.
Karen, the bills to cut property taxes for home and business owners advanced through the House today. The House Ways and Means Committee passed 3 bills unanimously and sent them to the full House. Speaker Dade Phelan says House members will vote Thursday. The Senate will likely pass the measures tomorrow. So here's a recap. The property tax cuts are worth $18 billion. The state will reduce property tax rates on homes and businesses and use more state revenues like sales tax to pay for public schools. The homestead exemption will increase to $100,000 for most homeowners, slightly higher than that for homeowners over 65 and the disabled. The deal is also going to limit increases on appraised values to 20% for commercial properties and for non-homesteaded residential properties over the next 3 years. There will also be savings on the franchise tax for small businesses. And one question that came up today, would renters benefit from this indirectly? And some lawmakers said yes.
Perhaps there's data that just goes to show us that as property taxes rise, renters pay more.
That is correct.
And so therefore, we might be safe to assume as those property taxes go down that the prices of rent may go down.
I've heard that argument. We heard that during the regular session a lot too. I think that, pass a property tax cut, then it's going to flow down to renters. And just anecdotally from my constituents, I have not heard that that's been the case.
Last week, some House Democrats proposed giving renters a rebate, but that is not part of this deal. Once the bills pass both chambers, they will head to the governor, who has said he will sign. Voters will have to give their approval in November, and if so, the property tax cuts will be retroactive to this year. The impact on businesses coming up at 5. Karen?